So guys, first method, click to start, type service, okay, right click to run as administrator, then find out print Splwow, press P, this is, and double click, select the automatic, okay, and then stop, then again start, apply, okay, close. Then next, clear the printer Splwow quiz. So go to file explorer, C drive, Windows, system 32, press S, system 32, then spool, then printers. So delete all file in the folder. May you need administrative privilege, and restart again the service of Splwow. Okay. Then run the printer troubleshooter. Click to start. Go to setting, system, scroll down, troubleshoot, other troubleshoot. So click to run printer, run Windows printer troubleshooter. Okay. So is next, turn off your Windows firewall. So click to start and type control panel, view by category. There are two more options, large icons. So select category, then click to system and security. Okay, then Windows Defender and firewall. Turn Windows Defender, Windows on off. So select, if your system on this, so you can select this one, off. Turn off Windows Defender firewall, turn off Windows Defender firewall. This is for private network, this one public network. Okay, and then apply, close, next. So is next, check Windows update. So click to start, go to setting. Okay, so guys, if in the task Windows startup is setting is not showing, so you can search to type setting. Okay, you can click this like that. Okay, so this is your Windows 11 control setting option. So you just last one Windows update and then click to check for Windows and wait few seconds. It will be show which is you require Windows update in provide from the Microsoft. So might be with the .NET. Now this is the downloading, after that install. Okay, so .NET 3.0 and 4.8.1 with Windows 11 version 22H2 for 64-bit, and this is your key. So it will come different, so no worry, you just first of all download, and then now this is installing to my system. So this is download and install, this is different. Okay, download means you download from the internet to your system. Install means now installs your system with your OS operating systems. Okay, it will complete, then restart your system. So this is SFC scanner. So how to run? This is command. I will give you this command in the video descriptions. So open CMD, click to start and type CMD. Right click to run as administrator. Then yes. So this is first command. Okay, copy and paste. If guys it is not copy paste, so you can type manually. Okay, so step by step, one by one, enter the command. This is first, second, third, fourth. Then second, then third, then last.